Three Muslim students have been shot dead at the University of North Carolina, apparently over parking space. The alleged assailant had been driven to insanity watching Rachel Maddow and also visited extreme anti-dental websites. What? Friends of the victims immediately capitalized on their notoriety by attacking groups they dislike. Pro-dental activists have been tweeting using the hashtag Dental Lives Matter. The tweeting degenerated into anti-AMA vitriol, however, and has also drawn criticism from hygienists who say the hashtag is exclusionary. A CARE spokesman condemned the attack. He said that only Muslims were allowed to kill Muslims. So all you atheist progressive crusaders back off and let the Muslim Brotherhood and ISIS get on with it. Brian Williams tweeted that he interviewed ghosts of the victims. You know, I see things that aren't there too, but it's usually after I've been drinking. Well, you must admit he has good reason. A Rolling Stone editor tweeted, in response to multiple inquiries, that the perpetrator is too ugly to place on their cover.